PROFID. It is a consortium comprising a wide variety of European cardiology key opinion leaders, large hospital chains, patient organizations, health industry, insurance and government stakeholders, as well as bioinformatics, epidemiology, and health economic experts across Europe. Now, with the development of an online software risk prediction tool to be hosted on the website of the European Society of Cardiology, the broad makeup of the consortium will facilitate the goal of adopting this particular tool for use in clinical practice. Hello and welcome to Medical Dialogues Journal Club, your daily dose of health and medical news. I am Dr. Nandita Mohan and I'm going to talk about how cardiac MRI helps in improving in predicting sudden cardiac death after a myocardial infarction. Using cardiac magnetic resonance imaging, that is the cardiac MRI, investigators have improved upon the earlier results of the PROFID clinical prediction model for risk for sudden cardiac death after myocardial infarction by considering core scar and gray zone quantification. Now, the first step in the PROFID was to develop an individualized sudden cardiac death risk prediction model that was using a machine learning to analyze the existing data of several clinical characteristics, biomarkers, and even imaging in close to 2.24 lakh post-infarction patients. The investigators analyzed all the data by 5 different methods but excluded the cardiac magnetic resonance, and they found that the predictive value of left ventricular ejection fraction yielded a moderate C statistic area under the curve value, which was slightly above the 0.6 range. And importantly, none of the other baseline characteristics, the demographics, ECG characteristics, biomarkers of the traditional potential predictors could increase this predictive performance. The researchers hence concluded that patients with a reduced ejection fraction, which is below 35%, are going to significantly undergo over-treatment because only a minority will at the end use the device, and patients with left ventricular ejection fraction who are greater than 35% may experience under-treatment because the majority of sudden cardiac death occurs in this population. That's all for today. Stay tuned to Medical Dialogues for further updates.
Never miss a medical update from Medical Dialogues. Like, subscribe, and press the bell icon.